Hi there. In this particular video, I'm going to share with you how you can add your sales data or after webinar data in Webinar Leads Up. So for that, first you have to go to your webinars and then open the webinar for which you are uploading the data. So right now I'm uploading the data for 12th November 2025. I'm going over here and going to sales. Since I have conducted the masterclass in meeting format, so I have to go to Zoom and scroll down to the report section. Let's find reports. Click on the reports. Once you do that, you have an option for meeting and webinar history. Click over there and you'll find your meeting over here. You can see that this is the meeting, and here you'll find the meeting with the maximum data. Like this is the meeting with the maximum data. There are 62 participants and duration was 104 minutes. So click over the number 62 and click on export. It will automatically download the data. Let's just wait. You will see that you've downloaded the data over here. Go to webinar leads hub and then over here click on import. Once you do that, click on upload CSV file and select the file which you've downloaded right now. Once you do that, just click on map fields and there will be fields which will be automatically mapped. And if there is some other data that you want to map, you can do the same by clicking over the icons and mapping the fields. Then click on import attendees. Once you do that, you'll find that everything over here is mapped and you have received the data with the sales dashboard. And if you want to share the data with the exact time duration for how many minutes people were in the webinar, so for that you'll have to click on the three dots button over the total record, then click on export. Just select everything and click on the download button and you'll see that the file is downloaded, and this is the file where you have all the data which is over here and is downloaded. So why is it required? I'll just give you a brief why it is required. Because with Zoom you get the data in separate parts, or you can say in segregated way. So what happens is let's say Ritik joined the webinar for 5 minutes, then left the webinar and then again joined for 30 minutes. So you won't be able to get the exact duration for how many minutes he was in the webinar. You'll have to manually count and manually sum up the total value, right? So here in this case you will have the entire duration under the time in session section, because the calculation is done by the webinar leads. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video.